Yeah, good morning. I had the intention to talk about this 3D printed encoder disc. You see, there it is a valley and here's a peak. So this is really a 3D printed encoder disc. I came up with the idea because this is a Schäublin 102. It has it has some collets you can put in. Like this one. There's the drawbar. But when I have to touch here, I take normally this in my hand and pull it in there. I have to fumble around here. And since I'm a mechanic, I don't have all too clean hands. Then the paper gets dirty, and the dirt, the signal piece here did catch up the dirt as a signal. So every black spot, the signalizer would take, the encoder would take up some dirt as a signal, and this would lead to errors. Now it is within 5 to 10% accuracy. That is good enough to cut the thread. What else? Yeah, you can print this. It is like the encoder wheel. The black pieces are the black high spots on the 3D print are black, like on the paper, and the down part here, the valley part from the topography is just plain blue now. I did try with some white RBS, but the surface was not nice enough to do this job. The print height here is 1 millimeter stick out, so then the signal encoder is catching the signal and receiving and giving out the signal correct in this mention. Yeah, what else? This is a PET print protection, because there inside is a pulley. It is like this pulley here. It's always, then you can touch the pulley. I don't like it. It's not safe. I like it like this. Then it is protected and it's good to go. Yeah, what else? I have a big table, so I can place a tool changer on it. It is now in the maintenance section of my small shop. I have to, this is it. I have to install a locating pin so the wheel will not change in movement. But yeah, that's about it. Yeah, I made some solid tool post, of course, here, because it is a CNC lathe. I don't need an auto tool post. I made a wall there, so the scarves and stuff always stays behind there. Then I clean out the back of the machine. There's a servo, and the other servo is down here on the on the other side. There it is. What else? Yes, I would sell the plans for this, but you have to match your own bearings, because I did some mistakes. This, you have to come up with your own bearings location thingy. And this plate here, I did not, this plate there, it is the whole table. I did not draw this in the sketch. I had it from this machine. I recycled it here, because there I made the plate bigger. So that's it. I will now make a point at the end of my sentence. Yeah, when you have some questions, shoot them. Thanks, bye.